Hello children, it's time for your EVS class. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter from the window. It is the continuation to the chapter number 6, Omana's journey. Hope you all remember. Let us continue Omana's journey and see what she sees from the window. Omana started her journey on 16th May and today is the second day of her journey. She woke up. It was a pleasant morning. The train stopped at the Madgaon station. Madgaon is a city of Goa. Let's locate Goa in the map of India. The small state marked with red circle is Goa. It is on the way from Gujarat to Kerala. While Omana was sleeping, she crossed the state of Maharashtra and now she is in Goa. Omana's father filled their water bottles with drinking water at the railway station. Here is a picture of the drinking water facility at the station. They also bought some hot tea from the platform. Omana again started to look through the window. She saw beautiful scenery from the window. She could see the red soil, the green fields, and the beautiful hills covered with trees. She observed the change in the soil, climate, and vegetation in Gujarat and Goa. We all know Goa is famous for its beaches, rivers, greenery all around. It is one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. The weather of Goa was cool and pleasant. It was not hot and dry like Ahmedabad. Let us now see the difference between the scene that Omana saw from the train on the first day and on the second day. The weather on the first day of her journey from Ahmedabad was hot and dry, whereas on the second day of her journey at Madgaon, the weather was cool and pleasant. Beautiful green fields, red soil, cool water around, and hills covered with trees. I hope now you know the difference between the weather in both the states, that is Gujarat and Goa. Next, the train came across a railway level crossing gate. Look here children, there are so many people waiting with their vehicles. Why do you think they are doing so? Let us know more about a railway level crossing gate. It is a place where the railway track or line and a road meets each other. A level crossing is a place where a railway line passes a road at the same level. Let's now look at some of the level crossings in Goa. We have level crossing at Majadda. The Chandor level crossing is one of the busiest level crossing, and we can see here many vehicles are waiting on both the sides of the road. Next, we have Surauli level crossing. We also have a level crossing at Madgaon and in St. Jose de Arial. Here is a picture of the level crossing traffic sign. Children, it is dangerous to cross the closed bars of the level crossing. At a level crossing, there are iron bars placed to block the road from both the sides for few minutes before a train arrives, so that no people or vehicle can cross the road, which may be very dangerous. The gates are only open after the train passes the route. Children, we should always follow traffic and safety rules in order to be safe. Stop, look, listen, and then proceed only if the gates are open or signal is for us to go. To avoid crashes and accidents, one must follow safety rules at a level crossing. Omana saw people waiting with their vehicles like buses, trucks, cars, motorbikes, cycles, rickshaws, etc. Many vehicles run on fuel like petrol and diesel. Let's observe this chart. Omana saw many kinds of vehicles. Let us see which of them run on diesel or petrol. Vehicles that run on petrol are scooters, motorcycles, cars, auto rickshaws. Vehicles that run on diesel are buses, trucks, cars and auto rickshaw. Vehicles that do not need any fuel are bicycle, rickshaws, tongas, bullock carts. Here are some pictures of the same. Children, we can see many vehicles with their engines on, right? This causes lot of noise and smoke, and hence we have noise pollution and air pollution. Children, remember to turn off your engine while you're waiting for the train to pass. This will save you some fuel and reduce air pollution. Let's summarize, children. In today's video, we observed that Omana's train reached Madgaon railway station. Madgaon is a city in Goa. Goa is famous for its beaches, pleasant climate and vegetation. Goa is one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. Difference between the scene from the window on the first day and second day of the journey by train. We learned about what is a level crossing and why one should follow traffic and safety rules. We now know how we can reduce noise and air pollution. We observe different vehicles that run on fuel and without fuel. Children, this was the first part of the chapter from the window. Do watch the second part of the lesson. Thank you.